What is a property title search and why it matters for buyers and sellers? That's what we're talking about today. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mary Howard if we have not met, and this is There Is No Place Like Home NC, Red Boots Realty powered by eXp Realty. Today I'm answering the question, what is a property title search and why it matters to you as a buyer or a seller? So when you buy or sell a home, a property title is just the pretty way of saying who has the right to own that property and therefore who has the right to sell it. Now it's really kind of common to think that the seller simply owns his home, but there could be hidden claims or liens on the property that the seller may not even know about, which makes a title search for buyers and sellers very important. So what is a property title search and how is it performed? In most cases, a property title search is conducted after an offer to purchase real estate has been accepted. Performing a title search will include looking at things like bankruptcy records, divorce cases, county land records, deeds, tax liens at both the federal and the state levels. The purpose of a title search is to ensure that the seller can convey a clear title of that property, meaning that the seller is in fact the owner and has the right to sell, and that there are no claims on the property that could become an issue for you, the buyer, down the road. So why are property title searches important? For you as the seller, your property must have what is called a marketable title, indicating that there are no defects that might cause a lawsuit or someone to challenge your right to sell that property. For you as the buyer, property title searches are an essential part of the home buying process because the debts of any previous owners are attached to that property, not that owner. So if you purchase a property and you do not have a title search, you are now you are liable for those debts or those liens and those encumbrances. Who performs a property title search? And when is it done? And how long does it take? A property title search is normally ordered while under contract, and in North Carolina, your closing attorney will be the one executing the title search. The length of time will depend on the complexity of the property. If the home is a new build property, then there's going to be less documents to go through, which will take less time. If the home is an older property and has been sold multiple times, and or has been through an estate or a foreclosure, that's going to take more time. How much does a property title search cost? The cost of the search will vary state by state, but typically are based on the loan amount of the purchase price of the property. But in general, the cost could range anywhere from $70 upwards of $500 or $600. And the end process will result in a report of the property and highlight any encumbrances that could create an issue if you continue with the purchase as the buyer. In North Carolina, property title searches are included with title insurance policy and are typically paid as a part of the closing fees and are actually non-negotiable in the home buying process. So now you have a basic understanding of property title search and why it matters to you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to call, text, or email me. My information is on the screen and in the descriptions below. Thank you for watching. My name is Mary Howard, and this is There's No Place Like Home NC. Take care.